Hi everyone, welcome to the newly redesigned GraniteCityElectric.com. In this video, we are going to go over the checkout process. So we're going to start by logging in. If you don't have a login, make sure you click register to request one. And it's important to remember that your login is associated with your account. So when you do place your web orders, they are going to your associated branch and are processed by someone at the counter. So as soon as I log in, it brings me to the My Account page. For this video, we're going to search for a product. I know what I want, so I'm going to add it to cart right from the search results. And I can put the quantity in and then press enter, or I can click add to cart. Either one will work fine. So the items have been added to my shopping cart. To check out, I can click there on the link, or I can click at my cart at any time. So I'm in my shopping cart, and you can see the image, product description, my quantity. At this point, you can add a line item comment if you want to send a note to the person at the counter processing the order. We have our pricing, we have our inventory across the company here. It shows you your total in with tax. It automatically populated a purchase order for me. Normally this is blank, and it is required on the next page. So if you don't have a purchase order, you can always put zeros or you can put none. At this point, you have some options. You can clear your cart and start over. You can return shopping. You can save your cart for later and access it in the My Account section the next time you log in. You can check out, you can express checkout, or you can add to your product groups. So if you decide you want to express checkout, this is a great option if all of your settings are already set up and you're ready to go. It's 2 clicks. You click submit order and you're good to go. But you want to make sure that you're paying attention here to all of the information here. I don't want this to go UPS ground, so I'm actually going to modify and go back to checkout. So I'm going to click on checkout, and this has me review all of my information. You can see those green checks show that the fields are populated correctly. So I'm going to change my shipping option to day truck. We do offer day and night truck deliveries to local customers. If you decide to choose either one, you just have to keep in mind of the time that your branch closes, because these orders are processed by someone at the branch. At this point, you can also add a coupon code if you have one, and some specific shipping directions if necessary. We're going to continue to billing. So at this point, you have some options. You can submit for a bid only. Somebody will contact you with more information. You can bill to your account, or you can use a credit card. I'm going to bill to my account and click continue. This brings me to the order summary page. At this point, we are not done. Again, you can review information. Everything looks good. And at this point, you'll submit your order. Any questions, you can always contact me at gce_webmaster@granitecityelectric.com. Thanks and have a great day.